Top 12 Health Benefits of Coconut. Everywhere you look nowadays, it seems like someone is swearing by the incredible health benefits of coconut. Once rejected because of its high saturated fat content, new medical research has shown that coconut may actually be a superfood. Coconut is the fruit of the coconut palm, Cocos nucifera, which is commonly used for its water, milk, oil, and tasty meat. Coconut trees are considered the most naturally widespread fruit tree on the planet and are native to Southeast Asia and the islands between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Today, coconuts are cultivated around the globe and have become increasingly popular for their flavor, culinary uses, and many potential health benefits. There are many types of coconut products. The raw white meat inside a coconut is referred to as the kernel. It has a firm texture and delicious, slightly sweet flavor. If you have a whole coconut, you can scrape the raw meat out of the shell and eat it. In its processed form, you'll usually find it sliced, shaved, or grated. Coconut milk and cream are made by pressing the raw, grated meat. Dried coconut meat is usually grated or shaved and used in cooking or baking. It can be further processed and ground into flour. Coconut oil is also extracted from the meat and can be used for cooking in place of other vegetable oils. Here are the top 12 health benefits of coconut. 1. Coconut promotes oral health. Coconut oil has been used for centuries in India as part of their oil hygiene routine in a practice known as oil pulling. Oil pulling is when you take a tablespoon of coconut oil and swish it around your mouth for 20 to 30 minutes. Oil pulling helps dissolve oil-based plaque, reduces the presence of bacteria, and helps clean out the hard-to-reach areas of your mouth. 2. Coconut is great for skin care. The beautiful blend of oils makes coconut oil perfect for skin care. Its antibacterial properties help soothe and fight acne, while its powerful hydration helps diminish the signs of aging. It also makes a fantastic odor-fighting deodorant, so go ahead and use it all over your body for healthy, radiant skin. Or you can use it as lip oil. Once you begin using the incredibly moisturizing coconut oil, you can stop worrying about chapped lips. Simply pour some oil into a spare case and dab it on your lips as needed throughout the day. Coconut oil can also act as a sunscreen, protecting your skin against damage. Research on dry skin has confirmed coconut oil's efficacy as a moisturizer. Further research has demonstrated coconut oil's effectiveness in protecting against UV radiation. Although coconut oil only has an SPF of 8, not a very high level of protection from the sun, it can still be utilized because it moisturizes the skin, making it less susceptible to sunburn. Due to its fragility and thinness, the skin beneath the eyes is prone to wrinkles and dark spots. Use coconut oil instead of spending a fortune on pricey under-eye lotions filled with chemicals. Simply warm up a bit of the oil between your fingers and massage it beneath your eyes. Let your eyes look captivating. You can also use coconut oil as a makeup remover. A teaspoon or so of coconut oil will do the work. Massage your skin with a small amount of warmed and melted coconut oil. Watch as your makeup disappears and then gently wash it off with warm water. 3. Coconut strengthens hair. Coconut oil can be added as a hair conditioner to promote hair growth, body, and shine. The natural oils help strengthen hair from the root to the follicle, so you'll experience less breakage as well. You can also use it as a hair mask for a deep conditioning treatment. It helps condition the scalp and moisturize dry hair. Research indicates that coconut oil enters the hair roots more thoroughly than most oils, which may make the hair look gentler and smoother. Most oils stay on the surface of the hair. The oil fills the hair shaft, giving fragile and dry hair a richer appearance. Hair that is hydrated may be less susceptible to harm from things like strong shampoos and styling aids. You can apply coconut oil before shampooing or using a product that makes the hair dry. Coconut oil can also repair damaged wavy hair because it may absorb into the hair strands. When heading outside in humid or rainy weather, try putting a drop or two on dry hair. Another benefit of coconut oil is it can make the hair look smooth and shiny like serums. Some individuals use a few drops as a shine serum on dry hair. Coconut oil can be used instead of silicone-rich shine serums by those who wish to avoid silicones and similar components. 4. Coconut may promote weight loss. Coconut oil delivers healthy fats and oils to your body, which can help promote weight loss over the long term. It also helps keep you feeling full and full of energy. Furthermore, coconut oil has also been shown to help build muscles and increase your stamina during a workout. A little coconut oil added to your favorite pre-workout protein shake can give you the power you need to push yourself further during your routine. Flaked or shaved, coconut adds a nice flavor to savory dishes. Its meaty texture and flavor work well in curries, fish stews, rice dishes, or even on breaded shrimp. Shredded coconut is great for baking and adds a touch of natural sweetness and moisture to cookies, muffins, and quick breads. A sprinkle of raw coconut adds texture and a tropical flavor to oatmeal. Stirred into pudding or yogurt, it's also a delicious calorie booster for someone who wants to gain weight. Coconut flour is used in baking as a substitute for wheat flour. It's gluten-free, nut-free, and a popular option for anyone who's counting carbs. Because it's grain-free, the flour is also good for those on the paleo diet, which does not allow grain products like regular wheat flour. However, coconut flour is best used in recipes that have been tested, as it won't rise like wheat flour and absorbs more liquid than other types of flour. In summary, coconut is versatile in the kitchen and works well in both sweet and savory foods. It's a great choice for those on low-carb, paleo, gluten-free, or nut-free diets. 5. Coconut oil may support brain health. There has been a lot of research into coconut oil to support memory health in Alzheimer's patients and those advancing in age. Coconut oil can be absorbed without the use of insulin, so it can also ramp up your brain power without the crash associated with other energy boosters like sugars. 6. Coconut oil may help digestion. There are many studies being done on the positive effects of coconut oil on organ function. One of the great benefits of this is the potential for relief from digestive issues. Coconut oil is also a probiotic, which can help balance healthy gut bacteria, making digestion easier. 7. Coconut oil to control hunger. Most of us struggle with regulating our appetite and often end up overeating, which can lead to health issues. Yet, if we consumed coconut oil, that wouldn't be the case. Medium-chain fatty acids make up 66% of coconut oil, which promotes calorie burning and prolonged feelings of fullness. Take coconut oil around 15 to 20 minutes before meals if possible. Your hunger will decrease, preventing you from binging on food. Depending on your energy requirements and the general makeup of your food, it's feasible that you will eat less if you start using coconut oil. 8. Coconut oil may ward off colds. Coconut oil is a powerful antibacterial and may help ward off the common cold. It also has antifungal and antiviral properties, which can help strengthen your immune system and protect against infection. Coconut oil can be used both topically and ingested as an antibacterial. 9. Coconut oil May support hormonal balance. Coconut oil may support the natural balance of hormones. It also reduces some of the negative effects our diet has on triggering hormonal imbalances, like the crash that happens after consuming too much sugar. 10. Coconut oil may help reduce inflammation. Inflammation from arthritis or other chronic illnesses can be very painful. Coconut oil has high levels of antioxidants which reduce inflammation. The oils also help lubricate joints and promote mobility in arthritis patients. 11. Coconut oil supports heart health. Coconut oil is full of healthy fats that can help convert bad cholesterol into good cholesterol. The presence of bad cholesterol increases your chances of heart disease, while good cholesterol lowers these chances. There is a lot of research being done on the heart benefits of a diet rich in coconut oil. 12. Precautions. When using coconut oil, some studies suggest that coconut oil may increase high-density lipoprotein, HDL, good cholesterol levels, while others indicate it increases low-density lipoprotein, LDL, bad cholesterol levels. Most research suggests an association between a high intake of saturated fat and heart problems. This is why the dietary guidelines for Americans recommend limiting your saturated fat intake to 10% of your total daily calories. Until there is more clarity around this association, keep your overall saturated fat intake within these limits and choose mostly unsaturated fats. Coconut oil dosage. There is no standard recommended dose of coconut oil. However, 1 tablespoon or less per day is recommended based on the following guidelines. The current dietary guidelines for Americans recommend consuming no more than 10% of total calories from saturated fat. Based on a 2,000-calorie diet, this equates to 200 calories and about 22 grams of saturated fat, which is less than 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. It also means that you would need to limit all other sources of saturated fat in your diet, such as animal and full-fat dairy products. For those at risk of or who already have heart disease, the American Heart Association advises no more than 6% of total calories from saturated fat, or about 13 grams of saturated fat from all sources, based on a 2,000-calorie diet. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil has 13.5 grams of saturated fat. With all of the amazing health benefits and the scientific research supporting just how healthy coconut is for us, it's a great idea to start adding coconut oil to your diet. In particular, coconut is rich in antioxidants, has powerful antibacterial properties, and may support better blood sugar control. However, coconut is very high in fat and calories, so be sure to moderate your intake if you are trying to lose weight or need to follow a low-fat diet. But go ahead and check out why people are raving about coconut oil. You will not be disappointed by the results. If you find it helpful, please like and share it with the community. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our latest videos.